For over 40 years, the Southern Queens Park Association, Inc., SQPA, has been engaged in the mission of broadening the education experience of the Southern Queens community at large. SQPA's 17th annual Colors in Black art exhibit held its opening reception at Roy Wilkins Park Family Center.
I'm one of the foundation members. I have been curating this show for the last 7 years, and I am also the chair for the committee.
Nice.
Right. So we have like 400 people coming out every year. We have like 90 artists participating in this show. So it's really a big show, and it's like it gets bigger every year. When you ask someone, what do you think? Is he going or coming?
Yeah.
Because they are not in the bushes.
Yeah.
They think he's coming from the bush.
Yeah.
So this one, if he was coming from the bush, then he would have a bag with him,
Yeah,
carry out little something, some food or something.
Yeah.
So, that is Grandpa. And a lot of people just love that painting, because it represents the culture. And this is what we are trying to keep.
When I retired in 2011, I decided to start quilting. I saw videotapes and YouTubes, and I decided I can do that. I was going to write children's books, but I changed my mind when I saw people who had created beautiful works of art with fabric. It's like painting with fabric. I love colors, I love beauty. I had always been good with craft. I love crafts. And this was one way I learned how to sew through Girl Scouts, through Big Mama, the days when we taught and your grandmother passed on the skills to you. And I wanted to do something with my hands.
Can I get a little sample, brother?
Yes, sir. Yes, you can.
All right.
So this is
Blue wine.
an anthracite extracted and molecular gastronomy separation of a Nebbiolo grape, which is a red grape, right?
Oh, it's red.
Yes. So what I was able to do was I was able to separate from the Nebbiolo grape and transition from a natural-based Chardonnay using Verdeco and Iran grapes. And I was able to transition that pigmentation, anthracite extraction, and bring it back into the Chardonnay. It's 100% natural, like I stated. All I pretty much did was, keeping it simple for all the viewers, I just took the separation of a pigmentation of the grape, which is Nebbiolo, and transitioned it back into a natural Chardonnay harvest. So, cheers.
Let me see what I go on. 1 minute. Tastes like if you drink a lot of it, man, you get nice and tipsy.
There you go. That's what I was going for. I've been doing this for a good 3 years now. I was able to bring it over to the United States the 1st of January, so it's new to the United States. But definitely now just dealing with marketing and exposure. First black man in the world to ever construct this.
Okay, mommy, first I want to know your name.
My name is Rosa Brown from Tranquility
Where is Tranquility?
in Buffalo Valley.
And that's where, Jamaica?
Yeah.
I'm from Jamaica, but I never heard of it.
You hear Portland?
Oh, Portland. Okay, I know
There's Portland we come from.
Okay, mommy, nice. So you're here today, mommy. You see any art that you like so far? You like the art?
Yeah, because that's my aunt up there. See her up there?
Oh, it is.
That white-head lady there.
Oh, that's your real aunt?
Yeah, what? Yeah, we are family.
Okay.
Yeah. We're ready to leave.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
Mommy, but you just reached here, mommy.
No, I'm here from long time now.
All right, mommy. Well, I'm not going to be the one to hold you any longer. I'm going to make the blame stay on them, not me, all right?
Okay.
So, mommy, take care and love.
Okay.
All right, mommy. Keep it locked. Mommy's from Jamaica, Portland. Portland, not Port Antonio, Portland, all right? So,
Port Antonio is the capital.
is the capital? You see, that is true. All right, so Port Antonio is the capital.
Right. I'm living in the Buffalo Valley. You hear about Buffalo?
I heard about it.
Right. Well, I'm living in the Buffalo Valley.
Okay. All right, mommy. Very, very nice. We'll get a little history about Jamaica right here. So, thank you very much, mommy.
You don't get anything.
When I get anything yet, so keep it locked.
Come chat with me.